Hey everybody, it's Chris from 2911 Homestead, and today we're gonna make some raised beds out of cedar fence pickets. So I'm making two more raised beds. We have two out there right now. But you're down in the workshop. It is a mess. Sometimes things go. You have more tools than you thought you did, and you need more storage than you thought you did. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started with the build today. What we have is we'll take two of these and we'll sandwich them together, and then we'll cut for this. So they should be all the same, right? So I'm going to take my tape measure that I've got over here, and I'm going to cut all of these, to 12 inches. Yep. So 12 inches. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I need 10 12-foot lengths. Let's see if I have enough. Probably don't have enough in these boards, but we'll find out. So I was only able to make enough for one of these, so I don't have enough cedar pickets to make more than one. I'm going to take this. Take these staples out here. There we go. All right. So you're going to place these like so. And then all we're going to do is take our brad nailer. Let's see. One and a quarter. I think these are what I have in there. Yeah. That is what I have in there. Yeah. All right. So I'm just gonna nail these like so. I'll take another one down here. Nail it like so. And they're gonna be as square as they're gonna be. It's rough cut lumber, like it's for fencing, right? So, and it's cedar, it's for outside. I'm gonna try to get these as close to center. So that's right at 4. So I usually just do this. Make sure that that top is all right. So that's one panel done. So we'll do the other side panel, and then we'll do, or yeah, the long side panel, and then we'll do the other panels, and we will. I actually screw them together, and then I usually I'll take that that extra piece that we had and cut it down for the bottom, so that the bottom gets some rigidity to it. So that's one panel. Set that down there, and then I'll take this other, and these were pretty straight boards. Some of the straightest I've had in a while. So yeah, so we got 2, 4 for that. So, and currently it is June. Don't know the exact date off the hand. I think it's June. Like, I have no idea, to be honest. But so it's June 2023. Cedar pickets right now at Home Depot were $278. So I got all of these for like $21. So this one. And then I will take the tape measure and find my center-ish. All right, so there's the second side. And we'll take the short ones. We're only going to put one on each end here. And I try to match up the best ones, you know, like try to get it as flat as possible. And like I said, I try to get the straightest ones I can. That's not always easy, right? Because they leave these ones outside. I'll do this side here. All right, that's one of the short sides. And I'm just using 1 1/4" brad nails, by the way. We have 2 other ones that have been out there about 4 months so far, and I did these last year too, and they're those ones are still going strong also. So. All right, so that's those two. So I don't need this anymore. So what I am going to do is I will put it together with brad nails, but I will add screws to the corners. All right, let me go ahead and get my drills ready to go. So I have these Milwaukee M12 stuff. I love it. I have a lot of RYOBI, but I'm starting to get into this M12 line and love it. Probably won't ever switch to M18. Maybe have some M18 tools here and there, but like I said, this 12-volt line system from Milwaukee is really good. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a drill bit for to do some pilot holes, and then I'm going to use these 2-inch make sure that I have the right bit here. I think these are squared. Yeah. I'm going to use these 2-inch flat square to go through that real quick. So I'm going to move this. And I did say earlier that I was probably going to use brad nails, but I've decided not to do that. Of course, the first one I grab is actually a star. Let's see if I have. Not that I like to use the blue ones, but these are 2.5 inch. So I've used these in the past. I've had black ones, so I usually do use those. I can drill this out a little bit. It's being a little there we go. Go ahead and do this side. This side might be a little bit better. There we go. Let me get this side. Go ahead and get these moved here. All right. So these back. Right. Right. I drill pilot holes because this wood can split pretty easily. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to flip this over, and I'm going to make this our bottom. I'm going to make this the bottom, and then I'm going to get 22 3/4. That should be, yeah, 22 3/4. Yeah. So let's see if we can get 22 3/4. Then I'll just take these and put them on the bottom here, and I'll just use brad nails in this one. All this is doing is just kind of stiffening it up a little bit. And I put one in the middle here to give it some rigidity. And I'll put this one out here. Tools over here. Fold this over. And there you have it, folks. We got a 4x2-ish raised planter. So let's go ahead and go put this outside. So now we've got it outside, and we'll fill dirt and stuff. And here's some more of her garden. There's 2 other planters that I built. So yeah, pretty simple planters.